The Great Emu War, Australia, 1932. In 1932, Australia went to war. Not against another country, against birds. Thousands of emus started invading farmland in Western Australia, wrecking crops and ignoring fences. Farmers begged the government for help. So the military showed up with machine guns. Yes, actual soldiers, actual machine guns, against flightless birds. The plan? Easy win. The reality? Total chaos. The emus were fast, scattered in squads, and somehow dodged bullets like they had a strategy meeting. Guns jammed, trucks broke down. One emu reportedly took multiple hits and kept running. After weeks of embarrassment, the military pulled out. Casualties, hundreds of bullets wasted. Result? Emus undefeated. The government quietly ended the operation and switched to bounties instead. Bottom line, Australia fought a war against birds and lost.